The amount of times so before I learned to light it from the back,
Yep.
the amount of times I'd stick my hand in and burn like all the hair here. You've now got a hook. Let's show this one.
Damn it! Oh damn, okay. I will...
I was hitting it like this. The reason why is because when you got something like that where I'd rather get it done in as quick an amount of heats as possible, the anvil draws a lot of heat out of it. So if you bounce it off right, you can get most of the same effect of having it sitting there, but it loses heat a lot more slowly. It's difficult to time right. If you do it right, you go